Hey guys, this is Siddhi from Best of Beauty and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a huge beauty haul video. So I recently purchased a lot of stuff from the Nykaa Hot Pink sale and all of it is finally here. So I thought that I should sit down and shoot a video for you guys wherein I show you each and everything that I got. And it's in this big pink basket right here. As you can see, it's filled with a lot of stuff, and these kind of videos are honestly my favorite to shoot as well as to watch as well. So I'm really excited, as you can tell, and let's just get started. But before that, if you are new to my channel or if you haven't subscribed already, then please hit the red subscribe button. Your support will mean a lot. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I do a lot of beauty tutorials over there and do like Q&As every Sunday as well. So it's really informative and fun. And yeah, let's just get started. So I'm just gonna like randomly pick up stuff and start talking about it and not go in any particular order. So first up we have this, which is the Bioderma. I obviously had to repurchase it because this has to be my favorite makeup remover, and if you haven't tried it already then you should definitely do. It's so good for sensitive skin. It takes off all of the makeup, eye and face as well. So I had to get one of these. Next up we have this product right here, which I was very excited to add to my cart, and this is the Dot & Key Booty Polish. Yes, that's right, it's for your booty, and this is a deep exfoliating walnut and coffee scrub, and this is what the packaging looks like. It's the standard Dot & Key container, and I'm very excited to try this out. I'm obviously going to let you know on Instagram if it works or not. And this is how the product looks like from inside. So this smells exactly like the M Caffeine, coffee scrub. And this is not as gritty as the M Caffeine one. So I'm obviously excited to, use this and give you guys a review on it. Next up is this product right here, and this is the NYX Honey Dew Me Up Primer. Now I've again heard like great reviews about this primer, and I wanted something like hydrating and dewy for my face as well. So that's the reason I got this. Let me know if you want me to do like a tutorial using all of these products, because I would love to do that. I think I haven't done a makeup tutorial in ages, so let me know. Next up is a repurchase, and this is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. So I got the smaller size in this because I already have the bigger size in it, and this is what it looks like. It's super cute, and I got the berry one again because I love the berry flavor in this. And this has to be one of the most hydrating and nourishing lip treatments ever. I use it every single night. So the reason I got the small size is that I can carry it everywhere I go. And this is the big one that I have. I've had this for about 2 years, and as you can tell that still there is some of it left. So it's a very good product and you should definitely give it a go. Also, all of the product links will be mentioned in the description box below if you all want to purchase them for yourselves. Next up is an eye kohl, and this one is by PAC, and as you can tell that this is the cream color. So I really wanted to get this because I don't have this sort of a color in my collection as well, and I really love using these sort of colors in my waterline to just make my eyes look brighter and bigger. And this is what that shade looks like. So as you can tell that these are also really pigmented. So I'm very excited to try this out, and that's what I got from PAC. Next up, I purchased 2 new mascaras. Now recently I have been hoarding on mascara, so it's like a phase, like earlier I was in a phase where I was collecting concealers, then I was collecting lip liners, and now I'm in the phase where I'm collecting mascaras. Let me know if you all are like that too. So I got these 2 right here. So first up is the NYX Worth the Hype Waterproof Mascara, and this is what that one looks like. So again, I've heard like great reviews about this and have tried this earlier as well, so I really liked it that time, and it's like a really nice volumizing mascara. I'm actually just going to show you the wand. So this is what that wand looks like. So excited to give this a go. And I also got the L'Oreal Fall Slash Superstar mascara, which has the primer on one end and the mascara on the other end. So this also I have tried before and I've really loved it. So I got both of these mascaras. I'm just going to keep this basket down because this is really heavy and it's annoying me now. So next up I got this, which is the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD, and I don't have this anymore. I have the one that I use for contouring, but I did not have the concealing shade because I probably used it up. So this is the concealer that you cannot go wrong with. because it provides really good coverage. It blends really beautifully into the skin. It's very affordable and they have so many shades to choose from as well, so I obviously had to get this. And this is, as I mentioned, is shade medium beige. Next is a product by Rimmel, and this is their blush palette, and this looked really pretty on the website, so I thought that I should give this a go. So this is like a 3-in-1, so all of these are actually just blush colors, but this one has like a lot of shimmer in it as well. So this is what I got. I'm actually just going to swatch this for you. I really feel like this shade is definitely going to be very dark for my skin, but probably the first one I can use. And this is what the shades look like. So the center one is like the highlight shade, then this is the one I can use as blush, and this one I'll probably not get to use because that one is really dark. But this was also really affordable, and I thought that this is a really cute like compact blush palette, so I got this. I don't know if you can tell, but right now I'm sitting near my vanity. Yesterday I took like 2 hours to clean it, and I'm really hoping that I can shoot my makeup collection or beauty collection video for you guys. I'm really excited to show you, because this is like a vanity which I have been wanting since I was 17. So I'm really excited to finally have this put together. So the next couple of products are for my mom, but I still thought that I'll share it with you. So I got her this, which is the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion, and this is the one that you get with the cartridge. So the cartridge is for uneven skin tone, so you just put it in this and then you use like a combination of two together. And I personally love this moisturizer more as compared to the Moisture Surge. I just feel like Moisture Surge is a really hyped product, and have used it obviously, but I don't feel like it gives me long lasting hydration. So that's why I really like this instead, which is the Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion, as I mentioned. So this one is really good, the one which has the yellow color. So because I got the Clinique lotion, I got this lipstick free, and this is the Clinique Pop lipstick in the shade Plum Pop, and this is what the packaging looks like. I honestly love mini lipsticks. I think all brands should just do mini lipsticks because they're so easy to use and you can actually go through them rather than wasting the product. So this is what it looks like, and this is the shade. As you can see, it's a really nice pinky mauve shade, and it's very pigmented and moisturizing as well. So I got this free. So this is like the best time to shop for Lux products, because you can get these samples as well. So next up I got some Kiehl's products for my mom as well, and I honestly feel like Kiehl's is a brand that's very underrated, and I don't know why, because their products are amazing and they're very effective as well. I know they're expensive, but they're totally worth the money. So first up we have this one, which is the Kiehl's Super Multi Corrective Cream, and this is like a moisturizer which you can use day and night. I also got her the bigger size of this, which is the Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution. I think that's with her right now, but this is a really good like a serum that you can use for your dark spots, and I have got a sample of this as well. So she has been using this probably for 2 years now, and this is really a good product. And I also got this sample, which is the Kiehl's Calendula Herbal Extract Toner, which looks like this, and this is like a pretty generous amount. This is 40 ml toner which they gave me, so I'm really excited to use this as well. There's one more product from PAC that I got, which was hidden in the basket, and this one is their eyeliner brush. So I recently purchased the Bobbi Brown gel eyeliner, and I realized that I don't have an eyeliner brush. So how am I going to use the product? And honestly, the gel liner costs like 1,600 or 800 or something. They should have given a brush with it. Like even Maybelline, and Maybelline with the gel liner, they give brushes. So just be a bit generous, I would say. So this is the brush that I got, and this is the 123 brush, which looks like this, and this is a really fine brush, as you can tell. So it's going to be really great to create a wing if I try to attempt doing one. Next, let's talk about the 2 lip products which I got. So first up is this L'Oreal Rouge Signature lipstick, and it's in the shade Adored, and I've already done swatches of this on my Instagram stories as well, which is why I tell you guys to follow me on Instagram, because all of the updates will get there first. So I don't have this lipstick, which is why I wanted to try this out. So this is what the shade looks like, and it's a very pretty like coral, peach, orangey lip product, and I'm wearing it right now. I've mixed it with the other lip product that I got, and the formula on this feels so lightweight, and obviously it's very pigmented as well, and it feels very hydrating on the lips as well, which is like my favorite combination. I think you know that by now. So next up we have this, which is the Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Lip and Cheek Mousse. I think I've raved about the formula like a lot of times. I already have two of the other shades, so I thought that I should try more like neutral shades in this. And this is in the shade Nude Cushion, and this has to be one of my current favorite nude pink lipsticks because of the shade, and I'm just going to show it to you right now. It's so pretty. It has like warm tones in it, and this will look so pretty on lips as well as your cheeks, and this is what the color looks like up close, and it's like a stunning shade. And if you want to try out this formula, then definitely get this shade. It's really pretty. Next up, I got some stuff from Bobbi Brown as well because they had an amazing offer going on, and I got like 4 samples with it, so really excited to try all of those things out. So I got this, which is their Luxe Lip Color Mini Duo, and it has like 2 mini lipsticks, and just look at that, they are so cute, and the packaging on these is stunning. Anything gold I really love. So the shades that I have is Hibiscus, and then there's another shade which is Parisian Red. So this is the shade Hibiscus. As you can see that these are really pigmented, but I feel like my mom is going to enjoy this color more because, you know, this is like that mom kind of shade, you know, it's like a dark mauve color which Indian moms really love, I think. So I'll probably give that to her. And second is Parisian Red, which I'm very excited because I don't have a lot of red lipsticks because I feel like they don't suit me. So these are really like buttery, and this is that shade. So it's a more warm toned red shade. So these are both of the colors that I got. Also, I'm planning to do a giveaway on my Instagram when I reach 10,000 because I'm so close to reaching 10,000, and I'm planning to do another giveaway when I reach 25,000 subscribers on YouTube as well. So if your friends haven't subscribed to my channel, or if you haven't, then definitely do, so that I can host this giveaway like sooner for you guys. Next up is a product that I was really excited to buy, and this is the Bobbi Brown Crush Liquid Lip in the shade Give a Fig, and this is what the packaging of that looks like. It's a stunning, you know, gloss, but it has a lot of pigment in it. I wouldn't consider this as a liquid lipstick, but I would consider this as a very pigmented gloss, and this is what that shade looks like. And this shade, I think it will suit all skin tones, probably more lighter to medium skin, but this is such a pretty rosy pink, you know, peachy shade. And yeah, I'm really excited to wear this. With those two products, I got 4 samples, and first up we have this one, which is the Vitamin Enriched Face Base. Now this also is like a very popular product, but it is very expensive also. So I thought that this will be the best time to try out this because it's a sample, and this is what the product looks like. So this is the first sample that I got. Then we also have the mascara. As I said that I'm obsessed with mascaras right now, so I was so happy that they're giving one with this. And this is, I don't know which mascara is this, they have no name written on it, but this is the mascara, and I love mini mascaras because it's just so easy to carry, and you know, you can like collect so many. So this is what the wand looks like. The wand looks really promising, so I feel like this is going to be a volumizing and a lengthening one as well. So that's what I got. And then we also got this mini primer. This might be the smallest sample ever, but this is what that looks like. And we also got a mini gloss. Like, this is the crushed oil infused gloss in the shade Free Spirit. My god, just look at this. it's so tiny. I don't know if you can tell. So this is what that one looks like. And yeah, I think those were all of the samples that I got with the Bobbi Brown products. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. These were all of the products that I have recently purchased, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you want me to review any specific product, obviously just leave it in the comments down below and I would love to do that for you. And if you like this video, then make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. And also don't forget to follow me on my social media, which is Instagram. I'll leave all the details on the screen, and also subscribe to my channel as well. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Love you.